In September, we find the first COVID-19 mask, just as New Zealand finishes with the restrictions of its COVID traffic light system. A nylon rope lies in a patch of sea foam. Lying on the mask is a soft plastic fishing lure. The often seen white plastic lolly stick and a recyclable glass beer bottle, a black nylon rope, the fluffy end of bound rope fibres, and thin-coloured nylon or polyester fibres, plastic pegs breaking up, silver plastic foil, plastic bag fragments, plastic-lined bottle tops, pull tops and cap liners that have come free, and lastly bits off boats, fiberglass, paint and epoxy resin chips, even a piece of green reinforced hose. And yet another plastic oyster bag with extensive length of plastic tubing. Please subscribe and share this information with any environmental or science teachers. Thanks for watching.